Homographs are the words with same spelling but different meanings. Pronunciation may or may not be the same. For example, BOW, bow. It is a weapon. Like in ancient times, bows and arrows were used in the battles and wars. Another meaning is a knot formed using ribbon, etc., which we used to wear. Now, we can pronounce it bow, means to bend your head or body to show respect. For example, he bowed to the king. We bowed our heads and said our prayers. Another example is lead. It means to be in front or to be first. Our team was leading by 2 goals. Another meaning is to have a charge of something. For example, Kapil Dev was leading when our team won the World Cup for the first time. One more meaning the word lead has: a piece of information that may help to resolve an issue. For example, they have got new leads in the case. And we can pronounce it as lead. And lead means graphite used as the part of a pencil that makes a mark. पेंसिल का वो पार्ट जिससे हम लिखते हैं. One more example, minute. Minute means a period of time equal to 60 seconds, or we can use it for a very short time. For example, I will be coming in a minute. Another meaning is a written record of what was said at a meeting. I was asked to note the minutes of the meeting. Another way to pronounce it is minute, and minute means extremely small. He observed minute details of the structure. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.